guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the HOKA MAFATE THREE2. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time, an opportunity. Thank you, subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got the HOKA MAFATE THREE2 in black and white colorway. We got this in the UK size 7.5. It's a US 8 and it's a 41 1/3. So let's get unboxing. And here they are. So what HOKA have done, they dove into the archives to bring back a hybrid version of a MAFATE. So you got a MAFATE Speed 3 and a MAFATE 2. It's all found in the sneaker. This is typically used for, I guess, road running. It doesn't necessarily say this is a proper running sneaker. So with HOKA being synonymous with road running, this sneaker is one of those. And you got a lot of specs that's found here. So we'll start with the outsole. So one of the biggest differences that you'll see from a MAFATE 2, MAFATE Speed 3 also, and this hybrid of the sneakers, the THREE2, is that this comes with a Vibram outsole. So you got a more lugged outsole, better grip for your runs or walks. And then the midsole, so you've got a typical EVA midsole. It's what's used in a lot of HOKA's products, and then you got this for their cushioning. It's very comfortable. I can attest to it because I use the Clifton 9s when I do my runs. And then the upper, so you've got this mesh upper, but it's surrounded with heat press plastics. You can see it all around to reinforce the sneaker right here. And then you've got this like anti-abrasion upper paneling here. It's all synthetic materials. You got a quick lace system, padded tongue with a pull tab, and at the heel you got a TPU reinforced heel right there, and with the HOKA logo also. And then on the insole you got your synthetic insole with a HOKA One logo right there for you. That's padded, very lightweight, despite all like the bells and whistles that you can find on this sneaker. I'm a big fan of HOKA, so if anyone from HOKA is watching this, and we know that you are, feel free to send some to your boys. Typically I wear a size 8, but we'll find out how a 7.5 fits for me, and we'll do the on feet for you. So roll out footage of us or me trying these on for you. When it comes to the MAFATE THREE2, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. Typically for HOKA, well Nike even, sorry, I wear a 7.5. These fit perfectly, a bit snug. So if I wanted a little bit of room, or I'm not feeling for that really tight fit, I might go a half size up. Other than that, it feels like it's lockdown support, very comfortable regardless. Like there's a little spring on my step as well, and they look really cool on. I mean, Jeff's commented off camera that they look a bit like Skechers, but You know, dad, even though we can see the dad shoe trend dying, falling off a bit, there's a lot of uptake in people taking up like run clubs, doing running themselves. So you can see this style of HOKA. You got brands like HOKA. You got brands like Saucony. These running brands, they've really come into their own, and you can see loads of people just wear it on their commutes. They're not running, but I see loads of people wearing these kind of sneakers on their runs as well. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and on TikTok at Oneupreviewz. Till next time, peace.